So you're thinking, why was there a Mustang on my Type 65 channel? Well, it's my son's Mustang. It was his first, as you guys can see here. That was his first autocross in this thing. I had to get some video up, so just to show up, but also video this. Mustang did really well, finished middle of the pack of the fun group. I finished #1, by the way, in the fun group, so I can't run with the Porsches. They won't let me since it's not a Porsche, obviously. So enjoy the video, quick and simple. Next video, I've got some aero changes I'm making, I think finally. I'll go into details on those when I get it all done. I'm trying to get this thing ready for the Silver State Classic, which is in about 2 months. So that's the big road race in the middle of the Nevada desert, where we're going to be in the 125 group, maxing out at 140. So for 100 miles, 90 some odd miles, I believe. So just a quick autocross video, and the next video we'll get more into detail on what I'm doing, because I'm doing a little aero work on the nose with the inlet, actually, that nobody else has ever done. It's going to be one of a kind. After doing some solid works modeling, flow modeling, this is the best I can do without changing and putting the R-nose on. R-nose are far and away the best, but I digress. Enjoy the autocross video, and then next video we'll go into more detail. Thanks.